guys, it's your girl Alicia Renee, and thank you for tuning in to Alicia Renee TV. I am back today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing these clip-ins. I have already installed these clip-ins before, so go ahead and check out that video. It's on my channel. Alright, so right now, I have my hair parted in 3 sections in the front, and in the back, I have my hair braided. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and install the clip-ins on my cornrows, and just do that until I get to the top. Alright, so as you see here, I am unbraiding this section. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and unbraid this, and then I'm going to straighten it out piece by piece, and then insert my clip in between, so that way it can blend in with the hair. The flat irons that I'm using are from Revlon, and I have already sprayed heat protectant on my head before I started doing my hair, so my hair is protected while I'm doing this. Alright, so here I am just inserting this clip in. It is the 3-inch clip in. It has 2 clips on it. All I did was part this section of hair in half, and I did it in an angle so that way this clip in would be hidden. That way you wouldn't see it in the front or in the back at all. It would be undetectable. And for this side, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and straighten this section out, and then I'm going to part it in an angle and then insert the 3-inch clip in. Alright, so right here, I'm actually going to go ahead and unbrace this and try to do some bangs. I haven't cut my own bangs in forever. So wish me luck. I'm not a professional or anything. So what I'm just going to do is go ahead and just straighten this out. So that way the hair can be as even as possible before I cut it. So my bangs aren't like lopsided or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it out. And now I'm just going to go in and cut it. I should have started a little bit like smaller, but you know, I tried. And here I'm just trimming them, and they don't look too bad. Like, they actually look kind of good. And now I'm just pressing the flat iron on them so they can lay down flat. I think they turned out pretty well, so kudos to me. Whoop whoop. So now I'm just going to go in and fix up my edges on both sides. So if the wind blows, you know, my edges aren't looking too crusty and dusty, and I won't be embarrassed. So I'm just going in with some jam and fixing my edges up because I don't have any edge control. Alright, so this is the final look, and I do love how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out the first installment.